Anta Krishna Bahirgaura, Jim Radha Bhavadviji, the mood of Radharani and the bodily complexion of Radharani, that Gaura Sundar, learned persons, intelligent, wise persons, they offer worship this Supreme Lord who Sankirtana Yajna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Nama, Hare Nameva Kevalam, Kalam Nasti, Nasti, Nasti. Hare Nama, Hare Nameva Kevalam, Kalam Nasti, Nasti, Nasti. In Kali Yuga, there is no other way, no other way. Hare Nameva Kevalam, only to accept, take shelter of Harinam. You understand? Take shelter of Harinam. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Nasteva, 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 Nasteva. 3 times says no other way, no other way, no other way. 3 things are condemned. Karma, Jnana, Yoga. You understand? Therefore, see, friend, there is importance, stress on Harinam's. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama. Therefore, the Harinam Sankirtan is Jugadharma. Prabhu kahe lama, e Mahamantra. Yaha Dapagya, Karya Nirbandha, Yahute, Sarva Siddhi, Huive Sava, Sarvakran Bhalaite, Dindinami. Mahaprabhu said, I tell you this Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama. This is Mahamantra, this is Taraka Brahmanam, known as Taraka Brahmanam from Kali Yuga. Japagya Karya Nirbandha. This is the Japta mantra. Chanting, we chant with our beads. Japta mantra and Kirtanya. Also Kirtan. Both. Japta mantra and Kirtan. Do you understand one mantra? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama. Yaha Japagya Karya Nirbandha. Yahite Sarva Siddhi Hoive Sava. You will get all perfection and supreme perfection. Because we will Krishna Prema. Sarvakkhana Bhavaite Dindinaya. Always say, always incidentally chant Avishranta Nama. No restrictions there. Do you understand? Free from all. Any place, any time, any condition, whatever condition it may be, no restriction. Understand? You just chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Hare. You understand? This is Kali Yuga. So people of Kali Yuga are very, very fortunate because they get such Taraka Brahmanam with Mahamantra and which gives Krishna Prema. You understand? And Mahaprabhu comes. Krishna himself comes to Mahaprabhu and distributes Krishna Prema indiscriminately, one and all, even farmers, was degraded fellows, Jagai Madhais. They gave what to speak of us.